Assalamu alaikum. Hello dear student. I am your favorite teacher Rana sir. Today I will take the class of standard 5. The subject is mathematics and today's topic is fraction, which is your chapter 6 in your textbook. Okay. So at first we should learn how we will learn about the fraction. What is fraction? Types of fraction, arrangement, creative question. We should learn today for this category. Okay. What is fraction? Types of fraction, arrangement, and creative question. We will do a creative question. So at first we should learn what is fraction. So what is fraction? A numerical quantity. A numerical quantity that is not a whole number is called a fraction. A numerical quantity that is not a whole number, that is called fraction. So in a short form, we should say fraction equal numerator divide denominator. Okay, the ratio between numerator and denominator is called fraction. So what is fraction? What is fraction? In shortly, we should learn fraction. Fraction equal numerator and divided by denominator. Okay, so this is called denominator and upper part is known as numerator. So this is called fraction. The ratio between numerator and denominator is called fraction. The example, if we write down 1 and below part 2, that is called fraction. Okay, so you have to understand that fraction equal to numerator, the ratio between numerator and denominator. So, and this is the example. Okay, similar kind of example I have given here. Suppose 3, here is 3 by 2. Okay, this is called fraction. Second part, types of fraction. How many types of fraction? There are mainly 3 types of fraction. One is proper fraction, secondly improper fraction, and thirdly mixed fraction. Okay, so what is called fraction and what is called proper fraction? We should know firstly what is called proper fraction. So when the numerator is less than the denominator, that's called proper fraction. So this is called proper fraction. Look at that. The numerator is less than denominator. That's called proper fraction. Again, what is called improper fraction? Improper. So improper means when the numerator is bigger than or more than denominator. Okay, when the a fraction which is the numerator is greater than the denominator, that's called improper fraction. So that is the example of improper fraction. Look at that, numerator is greater than denominator, so it is called improper fraction. Okay, and thirdly, what is called mixed fraction. So what is called mixed fraction? A mixed fraction is a number. A mixed fraction is a number with a combination of an integer and a proper fraction. So what is mixed fraction? Mixed fraction is a combination. Combination of what? Combination of an integer and also a proper fraction. That's called mixed fraction. So look at the example. Mixed fraction example 1. Okay, that's called mixed fraction. Look at that. This is integer, okay, whole number or integer, and that's called proper fraction. So combination between for those part is called mixed fraction. Okay, do you understand? I just going to what is fraction. Then I discuss about the types of fraction and similar kind of few keyword or key topics are also I discuss with you. That means and important topics and very important keywords you should learn that, memorize that. Which fraction has similar denominator? Which fraction is the similar denominator? Okay, similar denominator is called equal denominator. Okay, what is called equal denominator? Equal means similar. Okay, so when the denominator is same, that's called equal denominator. Similarly, what is called equal numerator? When the fractions, all the numerator is same, that's called similar or equal numerator fraction. Okay, equal numerator fractions. What is the example of equal numerator fraction? Look at that, 6 by 5 or 6 by 7 or 6 by 9. So this is called equal numerator fraction because all the numerator is same, or equal denominator. Equal denominator means look at that, 1 by 2, 3, 2, 5, 2. So all the numerator is same here. Okay, that's called equal denominator fraction. Very good. So, and also it's very much important word that proper fractions value never more than 1. Never more than, always they are remain smaller than 1. Okay, always remain smaller than 1. That's called, that is the characteristic, one of the characteristics of proper fraction. Okay. So another important topic is what is equivalent fraction. When the value of 2 or 3, when the value of 2 or 3 fractions have the similar, when the value of 2 or 3 fractions have the similar, that's called equivalent fraction. Okay, the value is similar. So that means 1 by 2 or 2 by 4 or 4 by 8. Okay, that's the similar value. Look at that, half. If we lowest mark, that we find 1 by 2 by 1 and 2 by 1. Okay, that's called okay, what? That's called equivalent fraction. Okay, and next one, 3, arrangement. What is arrangement? To arrange the data or to arrange the fraction according to ascending order or descending order. That means from smaller to greater or greater to smaller. Okay, so arrangement are two types. One is ascending, one is arrangement are two types. Okay, number one is ascending. Ascending order. Okay, ascending order. That means ascending order. What is the ascending order? That means smaller to greater. Okay, smaller to greater. And similarly, so that means firstly we should write down what is this. That means 3 by 5. Okay, 2 by 5, 1 by 5. So this is the bigger one. Okay, this is the, oh sorry, this is called ascending, not ascending order. This is called descending order. Okay, which is smaller. Firstly you write down smaller things. So for smaller things, what is smaller thing? 1 by 5. Okay, that 2 by 5, right? At last 2 by 5. Okay, this one is the ascending order. Okay, this is smaller to greater. This is ascending order, and next one is descending order. Descending order. So descending order means ठीक opposite, samely opposite of the ascending order. That means firstly greater to smaller. Okay, greater to smaller. So 3 by 5, firstly 3 by 5, and the symbol is here 2 by 5, symbol 1 by 5. So this is the arrangement of the fraction. Okay, ascending and descending. Okay, so at last I will discuss about creative question. Okay, so creative question, this is the most important part of you for your exam or in the fraction in PSC. That should become. Okay, so here I write down a creative question. So what is the creative question? Raida reads first day 3 by 1 parts, second day 4 by 1 parts, and third day reads 12 by 1 parts of a book. Okay, so look at carefully. She first day reads 3 by 1 parts, second day 4 by 1 parts, and third day 12 by 1 parts of a book. So first question, how many parts? How many parts of the book she reads in 3 days? So in total. So firstly you should understood that what you do. So firstly, how many parts? That means total, in total. So he reads in total she reads In total she reads how many? So we should sum of that parts. 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 12 parts. Okay, in 3 days she reads in total these parts. Okay, so at first we should LCM two things, 3, 4, 12. The LCM of the 3, 4, 12 is 12. We already do these things, do this sum in previous class, standard 4 or standard 3. So I think you are very much clarification about the LCM. So how can we do this? 12 divided by 3, that means 4. 4 multiply 1 equal to 4. Okay, 4 divided by 12 divided by 4, so 3. 3 1 is 3 plus 12 divided by 12, 1. 1 is 1. So at the parts, that means 8 by 12 parts. In a lowest term, we should find the lowest term. So 8 by 12, that means by 4 2s are 8, 2, 3 4s are 12. So 3 at the parts. So this is the solution of the first one, A. Okay, in total she reads 3 by 2 parts. Number B, how much parts of the book is unread? Okay, in 3 days she reads 3 by 2 parts, but how much parts of the book is unread? So we should do this. Okay, number B. So it is the total unread. Okay, unread. From A we get just run from A we get what we get? We get she reads in 3 days. We get she reads 23 verse in 3 days. In 3 days. So unread part equal. So unread part how means the total book is 1 whole minus 2 by 3 part. Okay. So what is the LCM of the 3 and below marks? There is a hidden one. That means 1. So 3 and 1 is 3. Okay, and 3 minus 2 part, that means 1 by 3 part. Total unread. So total unread, how much part? 3 by 1 part. Total she unread. Okay, that is the solution of number B. And we go to number C. Okay, unread parts 3 by 1 part. Okay. Number C. At last we go number C. Just write down the read this one very carefully. How much less she reads in third day than first day. Okay, the compare between first day and third day. So she reads in first day. She reads first day. How much part she reads first day? 1 by 3 part. Again she reads third day. She reads third day 1 by 12 parts. Okay. So how much less? So less. How much less? 1 by 3. How much less? 1 by 3 minus 1 by 12. That's the part. So what is the LCM of the 3 and 12? 12. Okay. 12 divided by 3, 4. 4 minus 12 divided 1. So 1. So 3 by 12 part. And the lowest term is, how 3 4s are 12. So 1 by 4 part. Okay. So how much less she reads in third day than first day? She reads in third day than first day 1 by 4 parts less. Okay. So that's all for today. Hope you all stay at home very fine, and hopefully you will do these things in your with your parents. Okay. Thank you all.